Yo, what is up, YouTube? So today we're going to be showing you how to make your shoes from this to this right here. So we're just going to be doing a Jordan 1 lacing tutorial today. Pretty simple. Hopefully it's easy to follow and it will make your shoes look 10 times better. This was also requested by one of my Discord members right here. If you guys do want to request any other video ideas, you can go to Discord in my description and just let me know in the chat and I'll definitely consider it. Alright, so let's just go right into the video. Alright, so basically your Jordans should come like this if you bought them brand new. They should come with just this lace right here and then just none of the rest laced up. But if yours is already laced up and you just want to follow this tutorial, probably just unlace it until this one, just like this. So I mean, yeah, this tutorial is pretty simple. So first what you want to do is you want to get the right lace right here. Make sure it is straight, just like that. And then just put it through the hole right here. And just keep your thumb here so it's always going to stay straight. And then just put it right there. And then you could also, if you want, lace them a bit looser like this. Or you could just lace them normally and tight, kind of like that. It just depends if you got a size too big or size too small. So what you want to do now is you want to get the left one and then just straighten it out again and then put it through the hole. Make sure it is straight and then boom, just like that. So now you're going to grab the same lace you just got. So always start with the right lace. Just take it, put it in the hole again, boom. Now do the same with the left lace. So that, then continue with this same exact lace. Just make sure it is straight. And I mean, yeah, just probably continue this for until you get to this one, and then I'll show you what to do. So yeah, now you can see I laced all the way up to here. If you want, you could put your lace inside of this thing. I personally don't do it because I feel like it looks cleaner like this. But if you want, it's your choice. Now, here you could decide what to do. Either you could do the same thing again, like this, and then like this to go into this lace. However, my shoe personally, I don't have enough lace to actually like go through. So I'm not going to be able to do that. So yeah, if you want, you could put it through this hole. If not, it's fine. And then what I do after this is I just take each side. It doesn't matter what side you start with, but you could either put it through this lace or this lace. I personally prefer the bottom one. So honestly, just stick it out a little bit like this, or you could just put it looser like that. It really depends on your preference. And then do it on the other side. Boom. Just like that. And then stuff these just inside the shoe. No one will see. So yeah, you could either do it like this or like this. I personally prefer when the laces are just like a tiny bit out like this, but it really depends, like I said. Alright, so I hope you guys did enjoy this quick tutorial. So yeah, if you guys do have any other video suggestions, definitely go to my Discord and put it in the chat. Because again, this was a video that was actually recommended by one of my subscribers who is also in my Discord channel. And I ended up making a video for them because I honestly thought this was a really good idea and I should have done this sooner. So yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.